Do you ever feel like your business to-dos, goals, client work, and your launch tasks are all over the place? You're never quite sure what to be working on next. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I use Trello, my lovely dear friend, to keep everything organized and keep my productivity high so I get it all done before the little monsters come home from Nana's house. Hi, my name is Trina, and I started this channel to help creative entrepreneurs like you get on YouTube to grow your business. If you are new here, make sure you click that subscribe button down below and hit that little bell to be notified every single time I post new videos just for you. Now, if you're like me and you run a business and you're juggling client work and you're trying to launch your new product and you have mom stuff going on and you have life happening, it can tend to get really difficult to figure out what you've got to do next. This is exactly why I'm using Trello to keep me organized, because by having everything in one spot, I can see visually what's going on so nothing slips through the cracks. Because let me tell you, when I first started my business, things were slipping through the cracks, and that's because I had things written in notebooks all over the place. So by having one central location to put everything, it's really helped me stay on top of my game and make sure things are handed in on time, make sure clients get the best work possible, and make sure I don't forget that birthday party for my 3-year-old that we've got to go to this weekend. Now, I'm going to go ahead and jump over to my computer and show you the exact board that I use to plan my entire week to make sure I do not miss anything. And if you stick to the end of this video, I'm going to share a link with you that you can grab my Trello board so you can start getting your business and personal and everything life finally organized. This is my weekly Trello board. It's basically my lifeline. And I'm going to walk you through how I use this to really make sure I get everything done. So right here in this list, this is called a list, and these white things are called cards. So in this list, this is where I write down anything that might pop into my head. So maybe I'm thinking new opt-in idea. Oops, and then I will add that there. Then if I have anything I want to add to it, like list, checklist, PDF, ebook, and this is all in the comment section of your card, and then you can save that. So if you had something running through your mind, you got it there, you got it saved, and now it's on your weekly board and not on some notebook somewhere else. What you can also do is, if you want to make this stand out so that you remember it, you can go to labels and make it yellow or blue or create any color that you want. Now this is highlighted yellow. So that's how I got all these different labels on these cards. That's what those colors are called, is labels. So as you go through here and you brain dump, then you can take this card, click on it while holding down on the mouse and move it. So maybe this is what you want to work on next week. I generally use this list, my coming up list, as preparing for the week ahead. It's kind of like what's on deck. So maybe I know this is going to be on deck for next week, but this is what I'm focusing on this week. So ongoing tasks that I have every single week may be my new video, since I've been uploading new videos every single day of the week, Monday through Friday. Another one may be check email for 15 minutes every morning, and that could be an ongoing task as well. Then maybe my business task for Monday is to schedule social media, so I could pull that over here. And for me, Mondays are mostly client days, so I'll add here client channel reports. And maybe it's a certain channel that I can put in there and just move it right there. So then as I go through my week, you see it's the same exact thing. Tuesdays I go live on Facebook in my group, so I have that as an ongoing task. Wednesday I go live on my Facebook page, and Thursday I go live on YouTube. And so that's how I kind of keep everything organized. Now, what you can do is, if this is something that happens every week, you can make a checklist. So my Facebook Live checklist will be come up with topic idea, then schedule it, promote it, go live. All right, so then once I come up with my topic idea, I can go ahead and check that off. And then I can see here, okay, I still have 3 more tasks to do to get this complete. And once you have it complete and you've done it all, you'll see that it turns green. Now, let's say if I want to have this opt-in done by a certain date and my team says this has to be done, you can add a due date. And let's say, Trina, this has to be done by next Friday. I can save a due date. And now you'll see that due date is highlighted. And it will turn yellow the day before it's due. And then it will turn red after 12 p.m. On that date. So that will turn red after 12. As you can see with my boards, I got a number of boards here that I use, but this is basically what I go to every single week to keep organized instead of having all of those notebooks. Now, if you want to grab this exact template that I have for my business, I'm going to put the link right now on a card, and I'm also going to put it down in the description box below so that all you can do is go to the link. I will send it to you through email. And what you will need to do is go to Show Menu, and you will want to go to More, and you want to copy board, okay? You don't want to edit this board that I have. You want to create your own board because this is just the template. You can do whatever you want to your board. So you'll want to click Copy Board, give it your own title, and it will be moved to your Trello board. So if you are liking how I set up my Trello board, make sure you grab a copy just for you. I'll put the link down in the description box, and I'll also pop it up in a card right now. All you have to do is when I send it to you, just make a copy for your own Trello account and get started. You can customize it however you want, change the background, change the titles. It's all for you to just kind of evolve to work for you. Okay, so now I want to hear from you. How do you stay organized? Are you just a hot mess with organization? Let me know your favorite organization tool down in the comments below. And don't forget, if you are not subscribed, make sure you click that subscribe button and watch some more of my organization tips by clicking the playlist that is on your screen right now. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!